Let me introduce you the psychology group for this semester.
Hi, I'm Daniel.
Landry Coleman, hello.
I'm Shane McCulley.
Lauren Butler.
Ken Alma.
And not pictured is Lauren Campbell.
As a part of our requirement for the Math 4020 capstone course, we worked with the psychology department to develop a program that would compute entropy.
But first, let's begin by discussing the experiment. The screening process included distributing a survey to 8,993 students, only freshmen and sophomores. First, I would like to say that this experiment was conducted by Dr. Alex S. Cohan and S. Lee Hung. To answer the questions, in what context does diminished expressivity occur? To what degree expressivity is modulated across situations, and what is the relationship between diminished emotionality and the quality of life? Questions from the survey included schizotypal personality questionnaire and a modified quality of life interview. In these questions were ideas of social anxiety, magical thinking, and no close friends and after the screening process, 118 students were invited into the lab for further study. These students were set in front of a computer and asked to view five emotionally positive, negative, and neutral pictures. These pictures were taken from the International Affective Picture System. These include two of the pictures from the system. I'm not sure which one is positively, negative, or neutral. It's just two of the pictures. The students were asked to speak into a microphone while looking at the pictures and talk about their feelings or reactions the entire time they were looking at the picture. Their voices were recorded by CANS. It's a computerized assessment of effect from natural speech. Once recorded by CANS, their voices were analyzed using PREC. In order for us to compute the entropy, the data had to be normalized, meaning first they had to subtract the mean, then divided it by the standard deviation, or basically taking any data that equals to 0 out of
There's 40 different symptoms in schizophrenia, and they are categorized in 3 different categories. The categories are positive, negative, and disorganized. The positive symptoms are called positive because normally people don't have these problems. Some positive symptoms include hallucinations and delusions. Negative symptoms are the difficult ones to measure, therefore they are harder to treat. Negative symptoms include the inability to feel pleasure, lack of speech, lack of expressivity, and disorganization. Okay, and lastly, I'm going to talk about the reasons that we are measuring, the way we're measuring. Measuring voice changes in intensity and pitch helps us assess diminished expressivity. Voice measuring is easier and cheaper to run tests on.